Adjustable Car Trunk Organizer by Astro AI. Tired of a cluttered car trunk? Say hello to the Astro AI Car Trunk Organizer. This container features sturdy fabric walls and adjustable sections to neatly store different items. Additionally, outer wall pockets provide extra storage, while the removable cover shields your belongings from dust. When not in use, simply fold it away for minimal space consumption. Organize your trunk hassle-free starting at $40. Handy Car Hooks by Astro AI. Keep your car organized effortlessly with Astro AI car hooks. These headrest hooks provide an instant solution for hanging groceries, bags, umbrellas, and more, each capable of holding up to 22 pounds. Installation is a breeze and takes seconds. When not in use, the hooks conveniently hide away. At just $5 for a pair, these hooks offer convenience at an affordable price.